So now we're going to create a metallic gradient from scratch. So I'm going to go ahead and take our 3-color gradient that we've already created, and I'm just going to go and, just to make it easy, I'm going to go to Edit Colors. I'm actually going to convert this to grayscale. So now all of this is going to be grayscale. So it's kind of a quick way to get back to my black and white gradient. So to create a metallic color, you're probably going to want to have 10 to 12 different colors all throughout this band in your gradient. Sometimes you make this a little wider, it's easier to create. So what we're going to do is we're going to move some of these really close together. And we're just going to create maybe 10 or so points. The more you do, sometimes the more realistic it is. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to create highlights and shadows, bars of highlights and shadows to create the metallic effect. So let's go ahead and click on some. Let's go ahead and do a grayscale to make it easier. Let's make that brighter. I'm going to click on pretty much every other one, kind of make it a different color, darker and lighter, just like that. Some can go a little whiter or lighter than others. Go to grayscale, just keeping it simple. You can do this with color as well. You can make gold, you can make blue metallic. Ooh, no, I want to do grayscale. Let's not add color to this one. So you want to do varying shades. So I don't want this one, this highlight to be the same as this highlight to be the same as this highlight. So shake it up. Maybe we can add some darker accents. This one, maybe make that darker. This one right here can be darker. Oh, let me do grayscale. That makes life easy to show you. Make that one really dark, and maybe this one on the end dark. Make that 100% black. Let's make a couple of really light ones, like right here. So you can already see kind of our metallic kind of coming together. And of course you can shift these around. Let me highlight my shape first and shift these around. And you can do them really tight. See how it kind of creates a bend, almost looks 3D. Make some of these tighter and then looser. And this is just, you're playing around. Of course you can see it pretty good in your preview here. And just kind of play around. So we'll just make them a smoother blend like this. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and select our gradient tool, and let's go ahead and click and drag and see kind of where we like the metallic color. And we can also do radial as well. See what that looks like. Sometimes radial, sometimes it's better to do the linear for metallics, because that tends to create a better lighting effect. So now I can kind of change the colors a little bit. If I go to Edit Colors, let's convert to RGB. And let's see if we can manipulate the colors. Adjust color balance. Let's kind of just see what kind of a metallic color effect. Ooh, that's kind of neat. Do red. I'm just adjusting the colors here. And so instead of having to manually adjust all these of the colors I like, I just go to Adjust Colors and do RGB. And I can kind of do all that without having to manually do them all. And they're all going to be in the same green family together. Ooh, I like that one. So that's pretty. So let's go ahead and select that and just keep messing around. That's just a real quick overview of how to make metallic gradients.